We're just here at the church again, moving stuff, and I think this is the last time because tomorrow contract runs out, and so yeah, that's what we're doing. And we're gonna get a refrigerator to bring to our house, and Brad is gonna come and help us move it. And we are deciding what stuff we need to take to the storage facility right now. There's a little bit of tension, so this guy's staring at me. He's cool, don't worry. Storage facility.
Angry geniuses.
Yes.
You want to do it?
Do what?
Lock it and see if you can unlock it.
Look, it says Tim Theology.
Oh, that's what a problem is.
Tim Theology.
Thought we had.
You guys ruined this TV. That's Brad's painting. Why would we put that in here? So yeah.
I can't believe it. Did you see how stuffed it was before I put that last box in?
Oh my gosh. Yeah, I did.
But I was able to get that one up and turned. And then this one in after.
It's magical.
My fascination.
All the way you're in trash.
She was already broken, it made her blind, but she could never believe that love would treat her right. Did you know that I loved you when not?
There's a statue of Liberty.
You remember
Is it Tim?
No, probably. That's his second job.
That was the bouncer.
It's our bouncer.
I saw that beard.
You didn't take the doors off either if you want to push it towards me. It looks like this door is pretty wide.
Yep. Piece of cake. Get out. Let me get out there. Just to be able to say so. Okay. All hard. I'm gonna lift.
Just get up in the
Can you sit on the side though? That won't mess up the freon or anything. That's what we were thinking, to have steel front air conditioner. They tell you not to put air conditioners on the side because of the compressor and something about the freon or something that's on it.
Just remove cord from the wall before servicing. Do not. Okay, no.
I don't see. But all that freon's in. It's in
the electrical source.
yeah, coil. So.
I mean, it is an air conditioner too. And yet they tell you.
I mean, we can set it up right. That's fine. We just have to keep hold a little harder.
Yeah, that's fine with me. Okay. I feel better about it.
Yeah, that's fine. Do that.
Probably should have looked it up and checked into it a little more.
All right. So we'll just. Do you want to get up there, or do you want to lift from the bottom?
Lift from the bottom.
Okay.
You don't want to both lift from the bottom?
Well, somebody needs to be up here. Once you jump up here, and I'll lift it up there to you.
What if Bronwyn gets up there? She's just kind of steady.
Well, we need someone that's going to get it up there. Because Otherwise, we're going to be top heavy. Just hop up there and I'll get it to you. You just kind of open that. Yeah, there you go.
I don't have much grip in the other hand.
Don't need me to do anything?
Nope.
There's not.
Alright, what I'm going to do, if you can just put, I got it good down here, if you just put your hands like on the side of it, and I'm going to lift it, keep lifting it up, and then you keep it on its bottom. Okay. You know what I'm saying? Alright, ready? Go. Ready? Good.
Awesome.
Like it goes.
Now, how do we keep it standing? What do we do?
Just put some rope on it. Yeah. I got it.
We brought a little bit of rope too.
What I'll do is I'll take it. It needs to go high. I'm more worried about the up and down. And we can just give it up.
And we can use our little rope to tie around it and keep use it for door closed.
Yep. Well,
Sorry, I really love it. It might be as long as this one.
actually, you might need to turn it around the other way.
Okay.
Because I can use that groove right there as a
All right.
keep the rope
Doors
up.
toward you?
Yeah.
Right over here.
So we just flip it around and have the doors facing toward the back.
All right. Toward the back.
Yeah. Otherwise, it won't have any light.
I don't want to run over that cord too bad.
Daddy, you need any of my cord? Or?
Maybe.
Bring electrical cords.
There we go. Now this makes me feel a little better. What we'll do.
We put them at the groove.
Oh. Got you.
It's got more of a. I'm not so much concerned about it sliding and tipping.
Okay.
Yeah, and if you want to take some little ropes and we can tie the doors closed. This part right here will hold it in.
And under the sound barrier.
Yep. And I'll be going within the sound barrier.
Just inside.
Moving this.
There we go. I didn't want it to. It's probably going to teeter some. So.
Yeah.
And that's a pretty nice refrigerator too.
Yeah. Free.
Yeah.
Tim thought there was something wrong with it because he like ate something that was not good, but I think it had just been in there for like 2 years.
Yeah. Refrigerator.
It like made him sick. He says like the sickest I've ever been in my life. Stupid refrigerator.
This cheese, this green cheese, it's from 2008. Don't understand.
The fridge didn't do its job.
If we felt like we had to plug it up, we could. You can let a refrigerator sit for a little bit without.
Can you imagine what would hurt? Put the front against the hand truck.
Do you want the quilt over it, or?
Well, it's got this rubber
Oh, okay.
plastic.
Yeah, you're right.
Or I can get it from behind over here.
Well, what I'm thinking is we can just, if we can turn it, just do a 45-degree turn.
Guys, this place is the best. They have so much sushi and it's like $7 and you can have all you can eat and it's so good. They have tons of other stuff too. You should come here. It's so good.